In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Zoho Projects reminders to stay organized. To get started, you will first set up a project. On the left sidebar, click the Projects tab. This is where all of your workspaces live, so it is the best place to begin when you want reminders and due dates to stay connected to the right work. In the upper right area, select New Project to open the project setup screen. Now enter the basic details for your project. Add a clear project title that describes the work at a glance. A specific name makes it easier to recognize later when you are filtering tasks and checking deadlines. Next, choose your start date and end date. Setting these dates helps frame the timeline for your work and makes it easier to plan tasks in a realistic window. Then select a project layout. The layout controls how information is organized inside the project, so pick the option that best matches how you plan to track your tasks. After that, set your project privacy. Choose private if the project should be visible only to members you add to it. Choose public if it should be available to all portal users. This matters because reminders and task updates are most effective when the right people can see the work and respond on time. Once your project is created, you can add tasks that include start and due dates, which is what drives your reminders. Go back to the Projects section in the left sidebar and select the project you just created. At the top of the project page, click the Tasks tab to open your task list. In the top right, click Add Task. Type a clear task name that describes the action to be completed. Good task names reduce confusion later, especially when you are scanning upcoming deadlines. Then click the Start and Due Date field and set the dates for that task. The due date is especially important since it is what keeps your schedule visible and supports reminder workflows inside Zoho projects. Repeat this process for each piece of work you need to track, making sure every task has an accurate due date. That simple habit is what keeps you organized and helps you stay ahead of deadlines. That covers everything you need to know.